why are you guys there? No mail today. We got the iOS 11. Come here, guys. I'll show you. Oh my god, Dad! Oh my god, Dad!
Oh my god, Dad!
You scared me. Holy.
Uy, damit mo nalaglag oh.
No, that's
Ano
not
yun?
mine. That's from other people.
Nalaglag yung damit nila.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Maraming salamat doon dyan. Kaya samahan natin ulit si Hanson Don Nico.
Apple, you're a genius. Very, very good genius. Thank you, Apple. Okay, let's go inside. So this iOS 11 is very nice. Very nice. Ow! We are home now, guys, and she's making up words. Wait. What the heck are you singing? Say hi to her. Oh, say hi to ate.
Tita more.
She's cooking.
Kain na kayo, kain na, dali.
Ligo ka na.
Anak, hilaw yan, di makipagbalik ko na lang.
Later.
Hey guys, so it is the current day and we got home from school. We did all of those things again. And now we are in the grocery store trying to fill this up. Organize. Where's mommy? Buy that. Go. This changed, guys. Aliza, just move. Holy macabobbers. Juice, bro. Yes.
Isang baon, dali. Isa lang na to.
Yes, sure.
Pre-pack na lang yan. Dalawa na yan. Yung isa.
You're gonna buy this.
Ito na.
Can we find Marta button? Here, you guys push it. I'm gonna find Marta button. Trying to get the plates, guys. I'm taking this one off first. Oops, got it. Hey, here, mommy, I'll push.
Eventually.
Here we are. Lots of bags, alright? Lots of bags. Look, look, look. It's so big. This is gonna be my pillow for 2 years. Like, guys, I saw that, and then after I saw it, look, look, Mary, look, look. Then after she's like, ooh, get it. On to time lapse. We gotta do this. Guys, we are home. And my name is Tiring. I'm a tidy girl. Bye.
Bia, yung planner mo, ayusin mo naman, Bia. Planner.
So guys.
So, guys, right now it's 10:56 p.m. and I decided to do something with the sleeping rascals. Mary is sleeping up there and Eliza is right there. Let's try it again to prank Mary. that's it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what I did. And by the way, I am so happy with the new features of iOS 11. Yeah, it's so cool, and thumbs up for them.